crypto inflation theory. Inflation is very high. Interest rates are very high. The stock market is going down, but cryptos are actually holding much better than I personally thought, and cryptos are going up. And if we take a look here, the last couple of days, Bitcoin and Ethereum have blasted off. We have news of an Ethereum ETF likely to go live on Monday, early next week. It's a futures ETF. It's not a spot ETF where the people of the ETFs have to buy spot Ethereum. It's just futures contracts. So people can invest into these futures ETFs and they will track the price of the futures of Ethereum. Three Arrows Capital Zhu was arrested in Singapore. So the Three Arrows Capital co-founder Zhu was arrested today while allegedly trying to flee Singapore, according to Teneo. Three Arrows Capital appointed liquidator who released a statement, according to this, that he's going to be there. So they got him, and it's likely that this guy is going to jail. This guy was involved in Three Arrows Capital, which was Luna, and then we have FTX. That was all a part of that. Bitcoin's inflation hedge theory tested as rising interest rates bring turbulence to markets. The losses on U.S. Treasuries recently surpassed $1.5 trillion. And the likely outcome is turbulent markets, but how will Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies fare? There is this theory that has been going on for years that crypto is a hedge against inflation. Just like gold, when there's uncertain economic times like right now, people invest in gold. They invest in silver and certain assets, not stocks, because stocks go down while there's high inflation. While there's high interest rates, stocks go down, but people are looking for something that they could invest into. And at the same time, cryptos are holding up very strong. Bitcoin is sitting around $27,000 right now. Ethereum just blasted off from $1,550 all the way to nearly $1,700 in just the last couple of days. This is very interesting. Ethereum is finally potentially breaking out of this range here. We have Bitcoin. If we do zoom out here, Bitcoin is forming lower highs though. So Bitcoin technically is not breaking out yet, which could happen very, very soon. I think things are changing in the crypto market personally, and we just must be aware of the possibilities. Yes, I do believe cryptos are ultimately over the next coming months are going to head down lower with the stock market. But guess what? I can be completely wrong. I can be surprised. And cryptos can continue to go up despite everything I'm saying and despite everything out there with the stock market crashing. Look at this. The stock market is continuing to make new lows. We have the dollar continuing to rally and to go very strong. These are very bearish times, but yet crypto is not crashing any further. Bitcoin held above $25,000 and is holding very strong still. And I think there is possible room set. If Bitcoin does continue to go up here and break out, we could see $30,000. And who knows what's going to happen after $30,000. We could potentially make some new highs for this year. It's quite possible. I don't think it's going to happen, but it's quite possible. We must always be aware of every scenario as investors, as traders. Let me share with you my thoughts regarding Bitcoin through technical analysis. I'm one of the world's best traders in cryptocurrency, and I'm going to show you my thoughts of where I think Bitcoin is heading. So technically, Bitcoin, in my eyes, in my opinion, is bearish. We had 2 times this year where Bitcoin attempted to break out of this range here, which is around $31,000 to $32,000. Bitcoin was not able to do so, and we got rejected there. We basically got rejected, and we've come down to this key support level, which is approximately $25,000. Bitcoin is bouncing and has bounced at this very level, and right now is attempting to take out these next highs. So if Bitcoin takes out $27,500, this is going to be the first time these last couple of months that Bitcoin is making a higher high, which could signify a possible breakout. But it's going to depend on how Bitcoin reacts with 28,200, the next lower high. And then we also have $30,000 approximately, give or take. So these are the next bullish targets. If Bitcoin breaks above and holds above these resistance levels, we will test the next resistance level, so on and so forth. We don't want to get ahead of ourselves here, But those are the upside targets. Now, if Bitcoin does come up and end up rejecting coming back to 25,000 and coming back to this support, I think it's very likely that Bitcoin will break it and ultimately head the first target, my first bearish target is going to be around $20,000. There are some targets in between 23 to 24,000, but this is going to be the next major level of support where there's a lot of buyers, there's a lot of demand that I think the price will go to if Bitcoin is bearish. So those are my scenarios. And ALGOSNIPER did give Bitcoin a sell alert at the very top, and we have not yet gotten a buy symbol yet. It could appear here on the daily time frame very soon. We will have to see, and it really depends on how Bitcoin moves these next couple of days. But right now, Bitcoin is chopping. It's just going side to side. We're in this little consolidation. And the next move is going to be big. So right now, Bitcoin is being compressed, and the next move is going to be absolutely big. Look at this. My ALGOSNIPER trading indicator also called the very bottom of Bitcoin at $25,000 on the daily time frame. So you would have made a massive move with that for free, as it's free today at algosniper.com. If you also want to partake in my profitable trade signals, we made money this morning. We also made money on Monday by following my trade signals in the Patreon, where we are trading over on Phoenix. I highly recommend you trade in Phoenix, where you can long cryptocurrencies up to 100x leverage, longing and shorting as well. And you can buy cryptos at a massive discount, and they're giving you free money to sign up today. That's going to be it for this video. So if you guys get anything out of the video, consider giving this video a thumbs up, subscribing with notifications on, and I'll see you later.